is Bernard going back to Westworld? If you stuck around for the teaser for next week's episode, Bernard's mission to stop Dolores' plan requires help. It might be tough to extract her from an ongoing battle scenario, but Robo Bernard seems capable of holding his own. What happened to Caleb? So far, we know Aaron Paul's new character is an ex-Solider who lives in Los Angeles. He and his old army buddy, Francis Kid Cutie, got mixed up in some unsavory activities that cost Francis his life. Up until the events of episode 1, Caleb would talk to an AI recreation of Francis as a part of his therapy for PTSD. But we don't totally know what happened to Caleb that led him into such despair. Our best guess is that Caleb and Francis were involved in high-level private military operations of some kind. It would be pretty convenient if what Caleb was doing was in some way related to the corporate espionage taking place between Delos and Insight. It wouldn't be all that surprising if Dolores had planned to become wounded and discovered underneath that overpass so that Caleb would find her. Caleb's shady history just might be something Dolores would find useful. Who designed Rehoboam? Who designed Rehoboam? Who turned Bernard into a Terminator? Who turned Bernard into a Terminator? Are all of these stories taking place at the same time? Are all of these stories taking place at the same time? What happened in the 92 days since Dolores and Bernard saw each other last? What are all those weird graphs? What are all those weird graphs? Is this all a simulation? Is this all a simulation?
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.